Good morning, students. Today we will continue with Visual Basic Operators and Functions, chapter number 11, and topic is variable. So, how can define the variable? So, in term of computer, all the data stored in memory. When we need to process any activity, so first we give the data to computer, and computer first store and then work according to the data. For example, we need to add two numbers, 2 plus 3. So first we give to the computer 2 and 3, and computer understand plus operator, and after controlling these data, computer will take action. Okay, so this is about variable. So everything in computer need variable for storage. So rules for naming convention: variable names must be less than 255 characters. Okay, space is not allowed, and space bar is not allowed. It must begin with an alphabet. So if we start with the number, so it will be invalid, and dot operator is not allowed, and it must not contain special character like these, ampersand, percentage, not equal to, hash. So these are the special type of characters. It must not contain special characters. Okay, so here you can see invalid variables are available. List is available for valid variable name and invalid variable name. Your and underscore name. So this is valid. We can use underscore for separating meaning. Okay, here you can separate your our name. And num2, we can use address. My age is correct. And now we will talk about invalid. So we here first is your dot name. Invalid, we cannot use dot operator. To num, at the starting we cannot use numeric value, and we cannot use special character, special or address space ampersand space city we cannot use. And my age also we cannot use. This is the naming convention of creating variable. So rules for the naming. Okay, so now we will move on constant. So in computer programming language, we have constants. For example, we talk about value of pi, or speed of light. So which is fixed. Okay, so here example of pi 3.14159, this is the fixed value. If you need to use, you can declare and use it. Okay, so this is the syntax of constant. Const, name of variable as data type equal to value. Okay, so this is about constant. This is the syntax. We use const const keyword, and then as per your requirement you can select name of variable, and as data type is the syntax for creating variable. Okay, so now we will move on data type. So in short term you can say type of data. Computer can understand only machine language. So when we input any data in your computer, compiler converts the uh, data into machine language. So this is important part to convert the data. For example, we enter numbers, integer values like 1 2 3 4 5. So computer cannot understand these values. So for the conversion some rules are available, and you can see here the following are the data types are available in Visual Basic. You can see integer. If you need to input the integer, there are used to store numbers but not decimal values. If you assign decimal values, when it will round off. Okay, so this is the range of integer long is here, it is same as integer data type, and range is extended. Okay, now single it stores the floating point number with decimal if the floating point number exceeds the range of single precision, then it rounded off the last decimal place. Okay, this is the range of this. So learn these. And now double is available string, date and boolean. So you can see here string and double use a range of these. So you can declare, so here you can declaring a variable. So here the name you be use dim is the keyword to declare a variable. Dim variable name, as per your requirement you can set your variable name. And as data type, like we need to enter integer, so as integer if we input the name anyone, so you can use the variable name. And as string, okay, if you need to set the date, so current date is variable name. And as date, so integer, string and date are data type of data. So here you can say type of data, which type of data you need to enter, string type stored in name. And if you talk about current date, which type of data need to enter, data type date. Okay, this same here, if we need to enter a string integer, so we need as integer. Okay, num, so this will store in number. If we declare as variable name as string, and you put in variable name integer value, it will show the error. Okay, so this is about declaring a variable. Now string variable declaration, you can see here dim name as a string, you can see here. And fixed length string declaration, you can see dim name as a string and provide the 8 asterisk 10. So this is the fixed length for that. And now this is assigning values to variable. This is the assignment, you can see here dim, and this is the n is the name of variable as integer. So variable defined as an integer, and assign the value 15. This is the assignment operator. Equal to, this is not equal to. Equal to shows the this value and this value equal. Okay, and in term of programming, this sign is showing the assignment. This is the fixed variable, and this value assigned in this variable. Okay, so this is the assignment operator. Okay, so dim string as a string. So in string we store the high. Okay, dim name variable name as a string, so we'll put here. Here you can see dim, first we use dim and name as string, we assign the value in string name. And now comma operator is separator. We can use this comma as a separator, separate the value of a string. After that we talk about next variable num1, assign 100 as integer and separate this value num1. And this is z equal to 22.1, this assigned to z as single. Okay, just because this is decimal value. Okay, so this is about your data type and variables. I hope are you getting all the concepts. If you have any confusion regarding to variable creation or declaration and assigning values, these are the basic things regarding programming. So feel free to ask me. Okay, thank you.